In this video, we discuss relation between molarity and molarity. Like this one is a binary solution. Binary solution means it contains only one solute and one solvent. Let W2, that is the weight of solute. W2 is weight of solute. W1, that is weight of solvent. And M2, that is gram molecular weight of solute. M1, that is gram molecular weight of solvent, but it is not needed because in molarity we don't write gram molecular weight of solvent. Let D, that is equal to density of solution. Density of solution. And V, that is equal to volume of solution. Volume of solution. First I write molarity relation. Molarity, that is equal to weight of solute W2 by M2 into 1000 by volume of solution in milliliters. From this, V, that is equal to volume of solution is equal to W2 by M2 into 1000 by molarity of solution. Let this one is equation 1. Similarly, molarity, that is equal to weight of solute by gram molecular weight of solute into 1000 by weight of solvent in grams, W1. W1, that is equal to W1 weight of solvent, that is equal to W2 by M2 into 1000 by molality of solution, small m. Let this one is equation 2. Now we derive relation between molarity and molality. Let D, that is the density of solution. Density of solution means weight of solution by volume of solution. Weight of solution means weight of solvent plus weight of solute by volume of solution, V. Density of solution, that is equal to weight of solvent, we know that value W2 by M2 into 1000 by molality plus W2, that is nothing but weight of solute by volume of solution, we have value W2 by M2 into 1000 by molarity. To cancel this value, this common value, here we can write 1000 by 1000 and M2 by M2. Then we common W2 by M2 into 1000 value. That is equal to W2 by M2 into 1000. If we common this value, here we get 1 by molality plus, these are cancelled, M2 by 1000 by W2 by M2 into 1000 by molarity. This value cancel. Then we get density, that is equal to 1 by molality plus M2 by 1000 into molarity. Density, that is equal to molarity by molality. We multiply with M2 into molarity by 1000. From this we can write molarity by molality, that is equal to density minus M2 into M by 1000. Next step, molarity by molality, capital M by small m, that is equal to, we can common 1000 here, density into 1000 minus M2 into M, gram molecular weight of solute into molarity of solution. From this equation, from this relation, we can write molality that is equal to 1000 into molarity by this value, density into 1000 minus m2 into m. Here small m is, from this relation we can convert molality that is equal to 1000 into molarity by density into 1000 minus m2 into m. Here small m, that is molality of solution, capital M molarity of solution, D density of solution, m2 gram molecular weight of solute, and m is molarity of solution. That is the relation between molality and molarity derivation.